Hi, this is Aishwarya from EC department. So today's topic is about small textiles for sports wears. Okay. So before that, what are the 5 stages in DT? First stage is empathy. Second one, define. Third one, ideate. Next one, last one, testing. Okay. So my title is about small textiles for sports wear. Okay. So empathize means to understand user needs and pain point of users. So as an user, what are your needs for the sports wears?
Health monitors and daily routines.
Health monitor and daily routines, temperature monitoring, and next one, sweat absorption, comfortability and controlling skin irritations. Next one, injury prevention. Okay. So these are our needs. So next one is define. So define means to create or to develop a problem statement, right? So my problem statement is about to develop a smart clothing for athletes. Okay. So next one is about ideate. So in this ideate part, so based upon your needs, I will create one clothing. Okay. It having electronic components, sensor unit, and based upon your needs. Okay. So what I told you, my ideate part is to integrate sensors and conventional fabrics like that. So these fabrics will help sweat-proof mechanism and it's very comfortable for users. Okay. So our sensors for monitor the heart rate function and health functionality and other environmental changes. Okay. So next part is about prototype. So this is my prototype model. So my problem statement is about a smart textiles for an athletes or my problem statement is about to develop a smart textiles for sports wears like that. So this is my prototype model. So I have to design a small jacket for athletes. So this jackets having communication unit, data processing unit, power unit, intercommunication unit, and sensor unit. So for a sports player, health monitoring and daily routine monitoring and sweat proof comfortability and injury monitoring, so these are the main factors. So these units helps to monitor all those functions. So first one is about communication. So communication or it's also called as antenna. So we have intercommunication unit unit also. So this communication unit is fully about to communicate with one device to another. So already we discussed in previous class, that is wireless communication techniques. So here I used a wireless communication technique. So it consisting of multiple techniques like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, IEEE 8.8 something, 8000.6 something. So here I use the cellular communication technique. So that is 3G, 4G, 5G. So as of now, we have used 5G technology. So by using this antenna, I will transmit and receive the signals from another devices. And this is a processing unit. So this is fully about to process the value of our body and calculate value from sensors. And next one is power unit. So this power unit is used to supply power to all other hardware components. And next one is intercommunication unit. So intercommunication unit is very used to communicate between their inter devices. So next one is sensors. We already know that sensor is a device that converts physical phenomena to electrical phenomena. This is my prototype. So last one is testing. How it works. Okay. So this model is weared by one sports player. We just assume. So after that, this sensor will sense the 3 types of sensors are used. So one is physiological sensor, and next one is movement sensor, and final one is environmental sensor. So this physiological sensor will sense the heart rate of that sports player or respiration rate. So it will observe that heart rate or respiration rate and convert it into electrical signal. Then that signal is given to data processing unit. So this data processing unit process the data and it will send a signal to smartwatch or smartphone by through this antenna module. Okay. So next one is second sensor is about movement sensor. So this movement sensor is used to check the movement and other activities of a sports player, and it will absorb that movement is a physical signal and it convert it back into electrical signal. That signal also given to the data processing unit. After that it sent to antenna, then we will see the value of that movement. And next one is environmental changes. So environmental changes means other climate changes and whatever it is. If it is anyone if it is anyone crash or anyone touch the jacket also, it will absorb and send signal to smartphone or smart watches, whatever it is. So this is the process and working of this smart jacket and this power unit. So in this jacket I will I attached energy harvesting method. So there is three types of energy harvesting method. We know that solar, thermal and vibration. So here I attached vibration energy harvesting method because of based upon body vibration, that vibration absorbed by this unit and that vibration will be converted as electrical signal. That electrical signal is given to this power unit. This power will supply the power to all other units. Okay. So next one is intercommunication, already we discussed. So this is the process of this smart jacket. Thank you.